Welcome back. In today's lesson, let's look into the differences between the English alphabets and the Igbo alphabets. The first I have here is the Igbo alphabets are 36 in number. 36 is iri while the English alphabets are 26 in number. Then the Igbo alphabet has 28 consonants while the English alphabet has 21 consonants. The Igbo alphabets have consonants and diagraphs while they have single consonants, those ones that are 1-1, that is mgbochi ume, nge, na mgbochi ume mpe. Then the English has only the single consonants. Then the Igbo alphabet have 8 vowels, while the English has 5 vowels. Then the Igbo don't have letter Q. They don't have letter Q, while the English has letter Q. Then the Igbos don't have letter X. The English has letter X. The English also do not have those consonants that are diagraphs, but the Igbos have them. So these are the little differences between the Igbo and English alphabets. See you next time in my class.